Okay, so this might drive some people nuts, and sometimes it drives me nuts, but you try putting little tags on everything and then like watering and keeping the like writing on the little tags and keeping track of everything, right? I know these are hot because they're purple. And they're small and they are dragon looking. That's what I call them, right? These guys. So, I remember reading about them, and I remember planting them. I planted them like all in a group. I think there was like 12 and I ended up with like 6. Okay. So the rest of the time it's just kind of like, well, I just like wait. I mean, tomatoes are tomatoes, right? I know it's a tomato, but sometimes you grow like different colors and stuff, so that's kind of cool to wait for the fruit. So I'm kind of excited now because I know that this one is a green pepper, I'm pretty sure, unless that may change. Look at these ones. These ones are purple. I was kind of wondering because the tops of them of the last few days were like this dirty purple color. Isn't that cool? And this one over there, yeah. So I'm really excited about that. So now that I know they're purple, I can kind of like go inside and figure out what they are. I feel like I want to say like puma pepper or something, but I get stuck on names sometimes and it just like spits out, but it's not really what I meant, or what it is at all. It's just like some sort of association that I made. So anyways, I just wanted to show that off. I'm pretty excited about the peppers. Maybe a couple more days and there will be peppers. Tomatoes are also getting ripe, so that's good. And we're gonna hit the big greenhouse here. Let me put you on pause. I hate it when I come in here and it's like dry in here. Guess I should water it now. Oh, I don't want to. So anyways, quickly. It smells so musty in here. What did we learn about this thing this year? This thing was a bad idea maybe, because it's musty. It's musty, moldy. Look. Mold. I'm still growing some things. But yeah, if you build your own like tarp jungle, definitely ventilate a little more. Because I didn't. So some things here, like this has kind of got Mr. Rotten Tops. That's what we're gonna call it. But I think these are green tomatoes anyways, so that might be close to ready. You can kind of tell because they're a little bit striated. But this is what I had to come out here for. These are muncher cucumbers from that Baker Creek heirloom seed site. I really like them. So they are ready when they're not very big, and you can just eat them. You can eat them skin on. They're super